Well, I set a match to everything. But some bridges can't be burned. Well, I know my way back home by the wreckage I left scattered when my prodigal soul returns. When my prodigal soul returns. So put an end to all the rumor and conjecture. I got what I deserve. Now after many, one too many misadventures, will my prodigal soul return? Will my prodigal soul return? Return.